In this video, you will learn how to use the min and max function in Excel. Here we have monthly rainfall and average temperature data for Seattle, Washington. The min function returns the smallest number in a set of values, while the max function returns the largest number in a set of values. Both functions ignore logical values and text. Let's dive into some examples. What if we wanted to find the smallest rainfall amount during the year? Okay, let's go to cell B18 and start a formula with the equal sign, then type in min to specify the min function in opening parentheses. Now let's take a look at the min function. As you can see, it has one required argument, which is the range of values for which we want to find the minimum value. So let's go ahead and highlight the rainfall amounts from January through December, which highlights B5 through B16. Then we'll close the parentheses, hit enter. We can see that 0.93 inches is the smallest amount of rainfall during the year, which is for the month of July. What if we wanted to find the largest rainfall amount during the year? We can find this using the max function. I'll go to cell B19 and start a formula once again with the equal sign. This time we will type in max to specify the max function, opening parentheses. Then I will once again highlight the cells in the range B5 through B16, closing parentheses, hit enter on the keyboard. We get 6.06 inches, which is the largest amount of rainfall during the year, which occurred during the month of December. What if we wanted to find the lowest average low temperature during the year? In column C, we have the average low temperature from January through December. We can use the min function to find the lowest average low temperature. So once again, in cell C18, I will start a formula with the equal sign, specify the min function, opening parentheses, then highlight the range from C5 through C16, close parentheses, hit enter on the keyboard. 36 degrees is the lowest average low temperature during the year, which occurs in the month of January. So you could interpret this as saying that January is typically the coolest month in Seattle. Finally, what if we wanted to find the highest average high temperature during the year? In column D, we have average high temperature for January through December. We can find the highest average high temperature by using the max function. So I'll go to cell D19, start a formula again with the equal sign, type in max to specify the max function, opening parentheses, and highlight the range D5 through D16, close parentheses, hit enter. We get 74.9 degrees, which is the highest average high temperature during the year. This occurs in the month of August. So we can interpret this as August being the hottest month in Seattle during the year, typically. In this video, we learned how to use the min and max functions in Excel. To recap, the min function returns the smallest number in a set of values, while the max function returns the largest number in a set of values. I hope this video has given you a basic understanding of how to use the min and max function in Excel. Please like, subscribe, and turn post notifications on so we can continue to help you learn new things. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay inspired and keep learning.